Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to discuss a cool feature in Line application which is called VOOM. So what is VOOM and how you can use it? Watch the video till the end and let's find out. So if you're living in Thailand, you will know that Line application is the most used application for messages and calling as well. So guys, once you open the Line application, you will see an interface like that. At the bottom you will find the home option, then you have chats, and then there is another feature which is called VOOM. As you can see, when I tap on VOOM, here it's the same like a TikTok. Here you can upload your videos, people can like it, they can comment on it, and they can share the videos as well. From here, as you can see, there is a For You option as well, and the people that you follow, you can see their VOOM, like the videos that they uploaded or any post that they uploaded into VOOM, you can see it here. And for you, the application will suggest videos for you to watch. As you can see, it is working the same way as TikTok. It's a really cool feature, having a messenger app and which gives you a messages option as well and calling option, and to have a cool feature like VOOM as well. So how are you going to use it? Here is the option. You can like a video, you can comment on a video, and you can share the video with other people as well. Here is the option if you tap on the plus option. So from here you can either record a video or you can upload a video from your gallery as well. Just tap on that option, and from here you can select any video that you want to upload. I will just select a video just to give you an example. Like I uploaded this video. The next thing you need to do is to tap on next. So once you tap on next, there is the editing options here. You can add a sound to it. You can even record a voiceover. You can, if tap on the volume, you can even reduce the original volume of the video. And you can, when you add a sound, you can increase or decrease the volume here. Once you're done, just tap on done. You can add stickers, you can even add chat onto that one or use filters. So there are the available filters. As you can see, you can select any one of that. And then once you're done, you need to just tap on done and the video will come here. Here you can add a topic or any description to the video, and then you can add hashtags as well. From here you can select the privacy if you tap on that one, so it can be either public, custom list, you can, or you can just post it only for yourself as well. So from here you can select the privacy as well, and they will show it will be posted with your profile as well. So once you tap on post, I will make it as a public, and it is now added to VOOM. So guys, this is all it takes to use the feature VOOM. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take a good care of yourself. Bye bye.